Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial I will teach you how to fix Marvel Rivals loading screen. First of all, you need to open your Steam account, then you need to go to your library and find Marvel Rivals. If you can't find it, you can use the search above. So when you find the Marvel Rivals game, you need to click the settings icon on the right side and go to the properties. First of all, in the general, you need to type this prompt inside the launch options, which is -dx11, and then go to the installed files, click browse, and scroll down until you will see the game launcher, which is right here. You need to right click on it and go to the property settings. Go to the compatibility settings, and right here we need to check run this program in compatibility mode. You can leave it on Windows 8, and also we need to run this program as an administrator. Then click apply and OK. And if you still have got the problem, you can do one more thing. You can also check this one, disable full screen optimizations, and click apply. OK guys, this might help you and solve your problem. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.